to go to the store, but I think I'm gonna go to Taco Bell. Man, not working for a week and then working, not the move. Now I must know. Can I have a Crunchwrap Supreme, but instead of beef, can I have rice and beans and then no sour cream? Sorry, it's complicated. A medium Baja Blast and then a cheese roll-up. And that's it.
Cheesy rolled up?
Yes, please.
I'm on a balcony in summer air. Say, Romeo, save me. I've been
Lunch. I am my favorite park, or I mean my favorite row of a parking lot to park in. There's like trees and stuff, nice to look at. And now I'm gonna eat. Okay, gotta go back. Sad face. See you at 5. Oh my god, it's so hot. My car right now says it's 93 degrees outside, which isn't right, but because it's sitting in the sun. Oh my god, I'm dying. It's so hot. But it's 5:25. No, it's not. It's actually 5:20, and I am on my way home. So, good day.
round and round in a way we.
The car behind me almost rear-ended me, and now he like won't get close to me. Dumbass. Take it easy, trust a while. Don't look back. And I think I know what. Don't dance in the living room, slave to the way you move. Hurts when I'm leaving you. Mama.
Moon is high like your friends were the night that
We first met. I miss you, I need you, I try not to feel you. I can't get you out of my head when I'm around you. Chicago lives has a mission to feed your own ambition. Kiss me goodbye, I'm defying right. Ooh, it's crisp. What a beautiful morning. OMG. It's beautiful. Good morning. The sunrise was beautiful. Literally love when that happens. I made it to work, so I'm about to go in. And today's gonna be a very busy day. So during lunch, I have to shoot these posters, and then at 7:30 tonight, I have a meeting I'm pretty excited about. So that's exciting. Oh, it's hot. Small face probably gotta have the mask wearer. I'll have to go look for a place to shoot these posters and eat lunch all at the same time. Wish me luck.
Waiter, waiter!
I just got done shooting and got done doing all my emails. I'm like sitting at this little park. It's so pretty. Just eating animal crackers. My favorite. Wow, so cute. There's like a little lake over there. Wow. It's not recording. Oh, gee. Okay, first of all, it's hot. What the heck? My car's saying 95 today, which is sitting in the sun, so that's not right, but I am definitely in a hurry. I'm trying to get home because I have time to like mentally prepare myself for this meeting. And I am not mentally prepared. Gotta go.
Do
As the other can go. Right, hello. It is lunchtime. I got gas, and my original plan was to get a yummy drink, like a Bai or something, or a Body Armor or something, some yummy drink, because I don't have anything to drink and I'm like dying of thirst. And they didn't have any. So I'm sitting currently in Taco Bell parking, or the drive-thru line. I literally have my own lunch, and I actually this is it, and I was gonna try it. Don't know if it's good or bad. Let's try it right now. I'm definitely not upset. It's pretty good, especially for it being cauliflower. I wouldn't know if someone, like, if I didn't read the packaging, I wouldn't know it was cauliflower. It's pretty good. Yay. Hot though. It's raining out, and I'm gonna drive home. And make me talk.
These are the best of times.
How cute.
My weed eater, you know.
Yeah. Yeah. Little date. And the shot doesn't even hurt.
What's the worst Easter candy to happy hop into your mouth? Let's talk about that.
OMG. What a beautiful morning. Hello. It is now Friday, so happy Friday. It's Friday afternoon. It was a crazy day yesterday. I found a little cat. I found a little cat in the parking lot of my job, and she had a hurt paw. I actually thought it was broken, but it turns out it's not broken. She got bit by something, and so I took her to the vet, and she has antibiotics and everything, and I'm currently trying to find the owner. A lot of Facebook messages, but I am going to show you her and give her her medicine now. So she is literally so sweet. Anytime you eat, like, I just walked in here and she's purring. Here she is. It's really dark. Poor baby. Hi, sweet girl. How you doing? Oh, poor thing. Okay, I'm gonna give her her medicine. What's wrong? Hi, baby. It's okay. Who's a good girl? Yeah, your paw still hurt. Oh, you just put your paw in water, Goober. OMG.
Hey, look. When the sun really hits, like the next week, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, all at the same time.
Oh, all the little buds.
This one looks good, dude.
Look at the flower.
That's okay. I read what to do on YouTube.
She's beautiful. OMG. How are my veggies? I haven't seen them in a while. A little cat's in there. Wow. I need to get a bigger one of these. That's what I need to get.
Tomatoes,
Mhm.
sticks. Yeah, they grew.
They're huge.
He outgrew his fast.
They're huge. Holy moly. This one needs one too, but I could maybe put like this one there. A lion, OMG.
What? That's a weed.
I don't care. I like it. It's yellow and cute. Like OMG. Cute. Look at this beautiful plant. It smells good though. I'm gonna clean his leaves with oil and water.
Alright, squirrel.
Yeah, we got more squirrel food. Because they're little hungry monsters. And they definitely have been eating the one. Yeah, they definitely ate the pool noodle, so we're gonna fill up that whole thing with corn. Well, hopefully they eat the actual squirrel food a little slower, because...
And it says that this is supposed to last longer, and it's supposed to help keep them away from birds.
Yeah, that way the birds can actually eat some food. Look how much better it looks. We just hung up Mason a bird feeder so he can look it outside of his window.
I wonder if he's just bored or if he... Because do you think they can smell that shit? Is that why it takes so much time? It's like word of mouth? Because how would you smell seeds?
Oh, there he goes.
He's not far. He'll come back.
I feel like they have to be able to sense it somehow. How would they find it?
I want to get deer feed.
That would be so cool though, to be able to see deer back here.
That stuff will attract deer.
That's what I thought. I mean, at least it's like a big bag.
Yeah.
Thank you.
That's what Wise asked if it was. At least he is healthy.
Oh goodness. Also got a bigger stand for my tomatoes. Oh, this is huge.
Yeah.
Like, I think multiple plants could use it.
Oh yeah.
Look, it looks so good. Ah! Also, my bean shade broke, so gotta redo that.